Yeah, so here we are back in Poco, Port Coquitlam. And the reason why I came out here is I got a second job interview for the merchandising position within my company. And in actuality, they posted a supervisor for that department. They had 2 people quit in the last 2 weeks. I am leery on spending the gas to get out there. Money is tight, as I said before, but there's an opportunity to make some more money. And I guess if I have to, I can send a SOS to my family and get them to send me money if they don't open my bank account up. So that's the deal. I also sent an email for a tax appointment, and I haven't heard back from them yet. So I'm assuming they open up Monday. And we will see what happens. Trying to find little nuggets of goodness in the crap that I'm going through. So anyways, cheers. Okay, for some reason, water has backflowed into my sink. So I had to pull all the pots and pans out of my so-called storage sink location because I don't know where it's coming from. I'm guessing it drains to the outside this sink. So I'm guessing it came from there. Or is this tap on? No. Oh, I hear something. No, the tap is off. And it does have an electric motor that pumps water from the tank there. So let's check outside and see what the drain is. Okay, the drain is on this side of the van. I think that's the drain. And let's see if anything comes out. At least, oh, it is. Oh, that is pretty freaking nasty. What a stupid spot for a drain. Apparently you're supposed to pick up a garden hose and drain it out to wherever. The guy who used to own this van said he drained it into the ditch or things like that. And well, we'll see if that gets rid of it. Okay, now that I got the water drained, I can clean out my sink tank. And I don't know if it's coming from my tap or not. Like I say, it has an electric pump and it's not pumping. It's not have any power to it. And ew, this definitely needs a good cleaning. This whole area probably needs cleaning. Oh, shit, I shouldn't have done that. And yeah, anyways, I'm going to grab some vinegar, bleach, all the good stuff, and clean this out. Where is the water tank for this? It's underneath my sleeping bag, and it pumps it through here, or through my sleeping area. Can't talk much, can I? And I will show you that in a different video. So anyways, I'm going to clean up, and when coffee's done, we'll have some coffee. Woo! Okay, there we go. We're cleaned out. I feel a little better. There's my storage / sink area. And oh, I want to point out that even though the foam and stuff, back when I tried to seal the door, it's still sealing. The water is not coming from there. So I'm assuming somewhere along the line it got pumped up through the system maybe. I'm unsure, but anyways, cleaned up. I'm a happy camper for now. My curtains are hanging. Ha! I haven't even hung my curtains up. They go on the back area there. That one goes across. But anyways, yeah. Cheers! Yeah. Oh, didn't realize I was recording. Happy Monday. Finally up, kind of out and about. And it doesn't matter anyways, because we gotta head back to work tonight. But before I head back to work, I think I'm going to go to Ikea. Not to buy furniture for this van, which I think, I like the name Frontier. I just might keep that name. We'll get into that later. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to stop at Ikea and more or less just to get ideas for the interior of this old girl. Just see what they got for interior decorations that I can adapt to this baby. So let's go for a walk. You know, I actually like this tile look, the black with the white. Actually, oh, my kitchen countertops like that, duh. I wouldn't need it on the backsplash. That would be so I kind of like the above counter sink. I'm wondering in the back of the van where my sink is recessed, I'm wondering if I should put a bowl or something like this white on top, and that way I have extra storage space instead of using it to hold the sink and water area. That's something I might have to look at later on. See, this is why I came to Ikea, little ideas like this. So anyways, me. Here, this is another idea. I like this. It's 29 bucks, not like I have any money, but it hangs up on the wall. But I think you could do something like this along the seams of my van top. Or maybe even fold it, have a fold down with something holding it. I think that would work actually. And it provide extra storage space. And what I like about it, it's got hooks. I could hook my pots and pans up on this thing instead of keeping them in my sink. I could actually hang my pots and pans off of here. And it would be a chime when I drive around. All the pots and pans would go ding, 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 ding. Oh, yeah. But no, I do like this concept. I think I might look at something like this when I get money.